Hello remote family. I'm Jeff. So I'm back with second job lead of the day, and the opening which I have is with this company, Warner Music Group, and they are looking for data entry specialists. So let's get into the job details. So it's a 100% a work from home job, and it doesn't require any degree of full-time job. So, as a data entry specialist, you will play a critical role in ensuring the accuracy of data for labels, recording, merchandise, distribution, and licensing agreements upon which all of the department rely. You will work directly with business affairs and the GDO to clarify key terms and help answer questions from all levels around the company. You will key all pertinent the data in the new rights administration database, which will flow into several downstream systems. Interface directly with the attorneys to obtain clarification of contract language and business practices. We will submit deals to businesses and legal affairs for review, which includes making any necessary changes and resubmitting for approval. You will bring a sense of urgency and excitement to the role. So, here are the job requirements: a 3 to 5 years of experience in contract administration or rights management preferred, first hand experience interpreting and supervising various types of entertainment contracts, including recording, license agreements, fan club, merchandise, and 360 deals. Demonstrate multitasking abilities without getting easily ruffled when priorities shift, or strong interpersonal skills and entertainment industry knowledge. So this was the job requirement, and let's see what's the salary they are offering, and the pay range for this is anywhere between $25 to $35 an hour. So it's a 100% a remote job, a no phone, which doesn't require any degree. So if you're interested in this, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description for this. So I hope so you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.